Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can block a user to access your internet connection. So let's see how it will work. So we're gonna do this thing by accessing the web browser. So let's click on Google Chrome. Then in URL section type the IP address 192.168.29.1. This is the IP address you can use to access your Jio Fibre router. So this is the home page of this Jio Fibre router. So we have to type the user ID and password to access the Jio Fibre router. So by default the username is admin and the password would be welcome@123 and the W is capital. So after logging to the router, this home page will appear and we have to go to the network section. Then click on wireless. Here you can see multiple Wi-Fi connections are available. Some are enabled, some are disabled. So we can manipulate the things on enable network. Suppose we want to block a user to access the anonymous one connection. So right click on it and click on MAC filter. Here you can see MAC address are displaying. So we have to add the MAC address of that user that we don't want to access our internet connection. So let's add the MAC address of that user. So after giving the MAC address of the user, click save. So after that the MAC address will appear here like this. That means this MAC address cannot have access to that Wi-Fi connection. So that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.